Tamara, if you're Jose Baez in there, you're listening. What are you listening for? What notes are you taking so you can minimize any damage to your client through all this?
You know, I think that there's not much he can do. I think that Cindy Anthony has damaged herself already. I agree with Pam. They have so many other statements that she's made. So the state here is really trying to add an additional court record that may be conflicting from what she said before. And so this is just an effort for them to destroy her credibility. She is a witness. They want to destroy her credibility. And, you know, it's interesting because I don't think that Jose Baez can make objections. However, I do think that her attorney will be in there making objections on the record if he does not want a certain question to be asked. We don't know if he's in there or not, but that will be very interesting, the kinds of questions. One other thing I wanted to mention is it's interesting that now we don't know what's being asked.
Right.
I think that the prosecutors are remaining tight-lipped because they know what's gone on before. This case was being tried in the court of public opinion. You know, be quiet and let us try this case in court.
Yeah, and you make a good point, because I think we're spoiled with all the information we have. So when we hear a lot of 4 hours of questioning, come on, we want our details. So we're going to have to wait on this one. Real quick, Tamara, I'll stay with you and we'll take a quick break. Cindy Anthony, is she a prosecution witness, a defense witness, a hostile prosecution witness? Do we know yet?
I would say you're right about the hostile prosecution witness, because her initial phone call is definitely a statement that the prosecution is going to use against Casey, but then she flipped. So they're going to use these other statements to put her back into her original statement about the smell of the pizza or dead person or whatever.
Exactly. Let's get Tamara in on this. Tamara, of the three, who do you think turns this case?
I think Cindy turns the case, but for all the reasons that Pam stated. She is the one who made the initial call. She is the one who has changed and wavered her answers, and she doesn't have the law enforcement training, so she's just going to fly off of the cuff. Everything that she says is incredible, and she's one of those witnesses that you just want to put her on the stand and let her run her mouth and impeach her, impeach her, impeach her.
All right. Ladies, we're going to have to leave it there. Tamara, Pam, appreciate it, and Letitia, you as well. 1,500 pages of discovery tomorrow. I'm sure we'll be talking about it again. Guys, thanks.